3 roller heads, 2 speeds adjustable. 1 set foot dead skin remover pedicure kit including 3 different quartz sand grinding heads and have 2 speeds. 1700 by per minute when low speed and 2000 by per minute when high speed. Low speed is suitable for the callus of hands and more delicate skincare. High speed is suitable for stubborn thick callus and dead skin. It can easily to control, its speed as your request, fast or slow, more convenient. LED battery capacity display. Rechargeable foot callus removers charging time for 2 to 3 hours, it can powerfully run continuously for about 120 minutes. USB charging cable can be charged easily with power bank, car charger, computer, etc. You can easily see how much battery left and when to charge. No more running out of battery without knowing it. Equipped with light wet and dry, the light turns on automatically while the foot file callus remover for feet is working, shining light on your dead skin. Don't worry about the light too dark affect the use. The electric foot file has waterproof design. The head can be rinsed under running water after dermabrasion. It can effectively solve the problem of bacteria breeding in the gap of the foot and protect the health of the foot. 14-in-1 professional pedicure kit tools. Adam Park callus remover for feet set includes stainless steel coarse file, stainless steel fine file, long sandpaper file, cuticle fork, foot brush for pedicure, scraping knife, 2-sided foot file, USB cable. One-stop pedicure, no need to buy other accessories, a complete set to meet your different needs. Fast after-sales service response. Our electric foot callus remover has 60 days money-back guarantee, 18 months product guarantee and 24 hours professional customer service. If you have any questions, click on, we will do our best for you to help. Top reviews from the United States. Made my feet smooth, but I'd suggest getting this with a good pumice stone, then a foot mask, then from there every day put baby oil Vaseline on your feet and put socks on. So if you ever go out, your feet are baby smooth and pretty.